Hi everybody, today we are sampling this IKEA stand-up desk. It took us just 30 minutes, it was very simple and we just want to show you how we did it.
Alright, so these instructions right here, this is if you're making a 63-inch table. I think that's this one. And then this one, the one that we have right now, which is the smaller one, it's only a 47-inch. So you do have to place them together closer.
By the way, this desk comes with 2 Allen keys that will help you to secure all the screws. Additional to this, you need to have 1 screwdriver.
Quick tip, if this doesn't want to go in, it's just not squaring up, just put this end first and then do the other one. Although you're supposed to do this one first, it might not just work out, so try both. Hey, so if you want this handle to be on the right or left hand side, you do have to pick, and depending on that, you're gonna place your table according to what you would like.
And done! This is everything for today. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to write them here below. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!